I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth system. It's a bit bright in here actually, hopefully we'll be able to see this, but we'll switch Bluetooth on. So there you go, it's getting it, we'll just get it over there, so hopefully out of the sun, and then go to phone. No phone's paired, please add a phone. So add is there, cancel is there. Add.
Search for sync on your device and enter the PIN provided by sync.
So that says 497350. It's hands-free, it'll change to sync. There you go, it's changed to sync. Just click on that. Wait for that's it. So 497350, 497350 pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. Sync's connected there.
Pairing
and it's
successful. Please check your device and if necessary, grant sync permission to access it.
So that's
For
it.
safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
It's asking me if I want to download my phone, but well, I don't, because I won't be using this again, so that's no.